Hello and welcome back to Built by Apes. Today we are filming from the office because we got a visit from one of our local Indonesian clients, Bobby. We are currently doing an Itasha project for his daily driven 2012 Honda Freed. Today's agenda is swapping out the OEM wheels on his car. As we all know, a simple set of aftermarket wheels can elevate the look of your car immensely. And Bobby, opted for this, a 16 by 7 inch white TR20 from Torsion Wheels. We are very familiar with this brand. It's made locally here in Indonesia. They have a lot of models and for different types of fitment to choose from. And in fact, if you guys remember, I also used Torsion Wheels on my 2017 Honda Civic. Yeah, this is gonna look great in his Honda Freed. Look at that! Oh. Anyway, let's fast forward to the actual wheel swapping day. This 2012 Honda Freed is a reliable daily driver. The engine is the same as Honda Jazz, which is a 1.5-liter iVTEC engine that spews out 118 horsepower. There's nothing really special about this car, except for being spacious, a mile-long dashboard, and huge legroom. With 3 rows, accommodating 6 to 7 passengers, and still leaving a good amount of luggage space. This car is the epitome of family wagon. This particular car is slightly modified by the owner with a downpipe and a front pipe from Jazz Racing, so not actually stock. Anyway, enjoy a little beauty shot before we move on. It's Itasha installation day, so one quick note, I didn't know they're gonna wrap the car in white, as you can see right behind me, and I promised you guys to show you when we install the Itasha, the design. So yeah, you guys will see the design in quite a bit on the beauty roll. Overall, I like the look of the white color on this car. It's really like refreshing paired with the new Torsion TR20 rims, wheels. So yeah, let's enjoy the installation process. The design for this Honda Freed Itasha is Fuamoko from holo-live, and Bobby opted for the layout of fender Itasha, which we have seen a lot quite recently in the Itasha scene here in Indonesia. This kind of Itasha gives the car a different look while still giving it a clean look from the sides. For the right side of the car, for now, it remains a blank canvas with a future plans for adding another Itasha with the same character here on the rear sides. And the design is yet to be finished and we will reveal them later. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy the installation process, the wheel swapping bit, and yeah, the overall of this car now looks pretty awesome. And I hope we see this car in live in the car show settings or in the car meet and being displayed, let's say in front of Comiforo or anything. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and comment on the video, and then follow us on all of our social media, and hope to see you guys in another video.